Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been sharing some projects that I've been making, Valentine's kind of themed, and I want to do a giveaway. So yeah, I'm going to share with you what's going to be in the giveaway first, and then I'll run through the rules. So first of all, it's going to be some of these crocheted sweets. Like little sweets. Like most of this stuff I have shared like in the projects and stuff that I've previously made, so you may have seen a lot of this stuff before. So you're going to get some of these crocheted sweets in there. You're going to get this little box with this little pin, and then inside you're going to get some of those little clothespins things, little charms. So you're going to get a variety of those in there. So that's next thing. The next thing you're going to get is the altered heart box, and inside it has these crocheted hearts in there. So you're going to get all those in there. Just put that to one side. You're going to get the sequin mix. So you're going to get all these different embellishments. In this sequin box, you're going to get that. I'm just going to move that to one side, and then the last thing is this this caddy that I've made, and as you can see, I've put quite a lot of goodies in there. In this pocket, you've got those little embellishment hearts that I made, and now you've got some trim in there. You've got some of this, not sequins, what is this? Glitter. Some glitter mix in there. In here you've got some of these little crocheted donuts in there. That fits back in that pocket there. Around here in this pocket you've got some little sea beads in white and pink. And then I think there's another little tub of little beads in there. They're in there. In here you've got some pink and white twine in there. So you've got that one. In this last pocket here, you've got these little hearts, and they will pop out, and they've got adhesive on the back. And you've got a variety of different colours in there. You've got some ribbon. You've got this little heart pick here. In the centre, you've got the altered little box with the crocheted hearts inside. You've got this mug cozy. You've got some of this trim. It's got really pretty gold like chain on it, so you get quite a lot of that. You get some of these heart rhinestones there, and then in here I've just put a load of just little bits. You've got this big wooden I'll just move that to one side, this big wooden heart that you could alter, and then you can put like a photo in the back, or you could hang it, or you could add it to an album. So you get that. It's a very sturdy heart. And then in here's some just little cards and things. So you've got this, a few of my faults. So you've got that. You could add to an album or a project. You've got some of these tickets. Some say trust, some say live. You've got this one, Forever Friends little card. Says, to my wonderful Valentines, with all my love and hugs. So yeah, just a few different journaling spots, and you'll get those. And that's it. I may add some other little bits and bobs that I find and that, so you might get a few other little bits in there, but that's the main sort of part of it. So the rules are, you must be 18 or over, because that's YouTube rules. You must be a visible subscriber to my channel. I need you to like this video, and then leave a comment down below, but in your comment just say that you want to be entered, just so I know that you want to be entered for this giveaway. And that's pretty much it, guys. So like I said, I will leave the rules all in the description down below, so you can check that out. Yeah, I just wanted to say, like, thank you for everyone that's been commenting on my channel, all my sort of subscribers. You know, just a little thank you. And to my new subscribers, because I know I've gained a few new subscribers recently, so I'd like to, you know, say welcome to my channel and thank you for subscribing to my channel. It's just, yeah, a little thank you from me to you kind of thing. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.